Welcome to this channel. So in this chapter, we are going to start with the LANGCHAIN and OpenAI. So in this chapter, we are going to see how we can create a virtual environment, how to activate the virtual environment, how to install LANGCHAIN and kernel packages, how to set up OpenAI API and LANGCHAIN API keys, and create .env file which will be having those key value pairs of the API keys. But to get access to the source file of this series, you can check the description. Virtual environment, we are going to type in the following command: conda create -p, then the name of the virtual environment, which is venv in our case, and then the version of Python that we are gonna use, so it's 3.10, and then -y to get all the default installations. And then basically it's gonna install all the files and packages. Once our virtual environment has been created, let's create a file. Requirements.txt, and in that let's put LANGCHAIN. After that, now let's activate this environment. So let's say conda activate, and then the name of our environment, which is venv. Let's just simply do pip install -r requirements.txt. Not from LANGCHAIN, let's install another package, which is IPY kernel. So that's the default kernel that I would like to use for my Jupyter notebook. So let's install that. So basically we're gonna run the same command in the terminal, and it's gonna download the IPY kernel package for us. And create our first module. So in that first module, we can do whatever we want to develop here. So the custom developments will be done here. And in this module, we are further going to create files. So the next step would be to go to the LANGCHAIN website and do the necessary sign up. I've completed the sign up process. So that's how our page looks like. So the next step would be to go to the OpenAI platform and do the sign up. So once you have done the sign up, you will have access to this kind of dashboard. So here, once you have access to this dashboard, you can go and create your new secret key. So here, the one on the screen you can see, which is created by me. Also under the usage, you can go and increase or decrease your limit. But I think it's not completely free. So as you can see, the minimum dollar spend is $5. So that's how much you need to spend initially. Go to the LangSmith, and here in the settings, if we click on that, you will get this screen. Now click on create API key. Just give any description and generate your first API key here. Now let's create another file called .env. So it's going to store our environmental variables. Now in the requirement.txt, let's install python.env as well. So what it is going to do is, so we are gonna specify key value pairs in the .env file and python.env. So it is going to import the key value pairs in our Jupyter notebook. So now let's go ahead and install this requirement as well. Now in the .env file, we have to specify three variables: OpenAI API key, LANGCHAIN API key, and LANGCHAIN project. For the OpenAI API key, you have to get the key. You can get the OpenAI API key from here, from the OpenAI platform. You can use your test key. For the LangSmith, you can use the key which you have created. Here, copy and paste your keys here, and for the project name, we can simply give any name.